And today, yep, we are playing the skin stapler. Stapler. Step. Waiting for its
Who
turn.
am I?
I'm Batman. Batman, say it. Come on. Yeah.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth
Not Batman,
from
but his
spilling
name
over
is
and
Dick.
drowning this city in its own sin.
Alright. Hey. Yo, that's me. Damn. I'm hot. Yeah. God girl. Yeah. What? We're gonna fix. How does she fix?
Alright, big pipe, firm grip, slow clockwise turns. Let's see how much pressure you can take.
Oh, that's weird. Oi. Alright. Drag. Alright. How do you drag? Whoa. Alright, that's one way how you do it. Oi. Alright. Keep it steady. Slowly. That was
There. That should be enough cranking to get the pipes flowing again.
Alright. Yeah, we got water. Finally, we got water. Yeah, light them up. Alright. Let me check here. Here also.
Well, I might as well take a shower before the water gets cold.
Let's go. Alright. The best. Alright, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Let's go. Can we see? No? No. No. Oh, someone's coming in. I'm busy. Busy in the shower. Cannot hear. Alright, that was weird.
Got to be kidding me.
Yes.
Who the
No.
hell could that be?
It's the stapler. Are we naked? Wait. Oh! Alright, time to focus. Let's check. This is gonna be one of those horror movies, bro. Killer. Turn off the lights and knock the door. And we're gonna look down. There's nobody and there's gonna be jump scare. It's like one of those
Hello?
horror movies.
Who's there?
Oh, see? Carrion City.
Hello, young lady. Darien Municipal Department.
You're the guy who called earlier?
Yes.
That's right. I'm verifying the power shutoff didn't cause any complications.
Alright.
Just need to step inside and check a few.
Nope. Bro.
things.
No. Okay. Oh. He got a hammer. What are we doing?
Oh god. I need to hide. Now.
Hide?
The big cabinet in the bathroom.
Where is the bathroom? I forgot the bathroom. Cabinet. Where is? There. Alright. We're peeking. Come on. We're gonna die, are we? We're gonna die. Oh, he's breaking in. Oh, I can hear. I hear him. Yep. Dude. Bro. The neighbors, can't they hear? Bro, I swear the neighbors. Oh, he's here. I can hear. Oh. Hey, he changed his face. Alright, he got mask. Yeah. Freaking way. Take off the mask. Let me see those face. That's weird. What do we got? Yeah. Oh, we're alive. Yes, God girl lives with a bathrobe. Alright, we're gonna die. We should have stayed in the cabinet, until morning, maybe. Alright, we're gonna die. Yep. Where are we going? Escape through the front door. Oh yeah, we're gonna die, bro. There's gonna be jump scare. Oh, we're not going there. Hello? I'm just a girl wearing bathrobe. A towel. Yes. I'm only wearing towel. Please don't hurt me. There's the door. Chill. Go. Go. We're dead. Are we dead? Yep, we're dead. Gonna happen now. Oh, this is so weird, bro. This is so weird. Oh no.
Fuck! Why can't I feel anything?
He drugged us.
You should be thanking me, darling. You won't wanna feel what's coming next.
What's next?
Wait! Hold on! You know what
Wait.
Oh, but I did. This is my favorite part.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. No.
You've got an interesting collection of toys lying around. I found it really nice.
Don't tell me. Oh, I thought the dildo. I'm sorry.
Those blades display admire. It's time one of them took good care of you, know.
We're dead. Okay, that was just the prologue. Damn, we're so old, bro. Oh god, that's how you introduce
I'll
yourself.
be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Wait, the voice acting is so good.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a
Sarcastically.
watch. Who's the kid?
Okay. Yes. The donut. That's the best reaction.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
The donut calls. Bro, that's not normal. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. Look at his face. Eating while smoking.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by...
I saw that. Oh, he still continues. Bro, stop it. Damn, that's so disgusting. Ma'am, I think I know why exactly he's doing that. Yep, I know why.
Evening.
Bennett,
So, tell me, what's missing here?
the dead body.
Bedroom, sir.
No, stupid.
Good eye. Tell me what else you see.
Okay,
An old dresser cabinet?
Look at the floor.
yeah,
You see
stupid.
that blood trail and the flickering light shining out from under the cabinet?
I do! The bedroom's on the other side of this cabinet! Why would a stapler block it off like this?
To hide the evidence, stupid.
My guess.
See it. In here? Tainted box. Oh god! Bro, don't have to wait. Oh. This is the way to cook hot dogs. There we go, put it in. Yes. Hot dogs. The best hot dogs in town is made with hands. And Converse shoes stepping on the box.
Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy.
Oh, that's weird. He's weird. Alright, don't worry, sir. Customer is always right. No matter how look bad you are and ugly you are, our hot dog is the best. Where is the bread? We need the bread. Where do we get bread? What's this? A hot dog bun. Yo, 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 you need to chill. I need hot dog bun. Ah. I need to toast it. Alright, there we go. You need to chill. It's the best hot dog. Is it gonna be burned? No? Toasted hot dog bun. It keeps toasting. Alright, there we go. Nice. We got the best hot dog. Put the hot dog. What do we need? I can add cheese, maybe? Wow. Squishy, squishy. Is this done? Damn. Guacamole. Is this done? Hot dog container. Alright. Where is the hot dog container? Where do you contain your hot? Hey. There we go. Bam. There you go, sir. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Is it delicious? Okay, that was weird, but at least he enjoyed. He enjoyed. 100%, I'm sure.
I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener.
Why are they so weird? If I'm gonna give you the hot dog, please don't eat it in a weird way, maybe? Oh, he's eating. Oh, I'm moving back, man. That was weird. Is that hot dog really that good? Another weirdo again. Weird customer. Oh, he looks
I
sick.
heard you have the biggest wieners around. Let me get one.
I got one here, ma'am. I got one here. No, nope. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, ma'am. She's not alright, bro. Alright, let me wrap this one. I just cooked this, ma'am. Don't worry. God. Okay, please don't eat in a weird way. Whatever. Oh, she's eating weird. That's weird. Very weird.
Don't tell anyone you saw me here. Give me the thickest one you got.
Bro, why are they so weird? Alright, whatever. Customer is always right. I don't have a finished hot dog. We got the biggest, juiciest hot dog ever. Alright. It's just a ketchup, bro. You need to chill. Yep. Bam. Oh, he's gonna eat this in a weird way again, I swear. See? Oh, God. God. Is that so delicious? Yep. A job is a job, bro. A job is a job. Crawl. God.
Shit, dude!
I pressed my
What the
capsule.
hell is your problem?
Okay, my bad. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you fix the toilet. You plunged it. That's how you plunge. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Like a WWE. Alright, my bad. Yeah. 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 Alright. I think it's done, bro.
Ugh. This stupid thing isn't working.
Of course. He's plunging it. Oh, it's gonna blow, bro. It's gonna go to our face. We need to move.
Huh?
What the?
What the?
Is it gonna blow? Disgusting! Okay, that's so disgusting, bro. Did we die? Toilet? Wait, is that it?